Unity, fellowship, and cultural diversity took center stage in Japan as the Kingdom of Jesus Christ successfully held its 11th Japan Summer Camp 2026, bringing together Kingdom citizens, workers, and guests from various communities. The event was an expression of love in action across cultures. The gathering highlighted unity, fellowship, and a shared commitment to serve and do good according to the will of the Father. Guy Saito has the story.
Here in Japan, people from different communities and cultural backgrounds came together, not only to showcase their talents, but more importantly, to celebrate unity, fellowship, and a shared commitment to serve according to the will of the Father. At the 11th Japan Summer Camp 2026, the message was clear. Despite differences in language, culture, and tradition, hearts can come together when there is one purpose: to love, to serve, and to do good. This is love in action across cultures. Four teams participated in the summer camp. Team Judah from Ibaraki and Saitama. Team Joseph representing the Filipino community. Team Ruben from Tokyo. And Team Benjamin from Osaka and Nagoya. From the opening activities, the participants demonstrated unity despite their different backgrounds. The camp featured various competitions, including the Mana activities, Bible countdown, and Bible telephone, as well as the Ikebana competition. Cultural performances also showcased Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Indian, and Filipino traditions. Music competitions including solo, duet, talent search, and choir further highlighted the participants' God-given talents. More than competition, the activities became expressions of faith, fellowship, and unity.
Kung ano man pinagdadaanan ninyo, nandiyan sa loob. Pero nandito kami, Pastor, gabayan mo po kami. Alam namin, sabi mo tatag lang, pero nandito po kami habang andito po ang kingdom, nandito po kami. Hindi po kami susuko. Thank you, Pastor. We love you. Miss you, Pastor. I love you, Pastor. Salamat po.
Participants also expressed gratitude for their faith and the teachings they have received, as well as appreciation for Pastor Paul C. Kibuloy, whom they regard as an inspiration in their service and commitment.
Maraming salamat po. Napakasaya po. Lalong-lalo po marami pong mga nagsipunta ang mga bisita, mga nag-enjoy po lahat. Lalo na po kami, po swerte po namin kasi nakapasok po kami dito sa kingdom po through our beloved Pastor Paul C. Kibuloy po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po. Masaya po, sobrang saya po. Pastor, maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat, Pastor. Lalo na po sa kaligtasan na pinagkaloob niyo po sa amin. Sobrang napakasaya po, napakalaking pribileyo po yung nandito po kami ngayong araw na ito po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat, Pastor. Nandito lang po kami, Pastor. Ano man po ang mangyari po, hindi po namin kayo iiwan.
Members of the Filipino community in Japan also joined the gathering, experiencing fellowship and cooperation beyond cultural differences. Among them was Brother Berwin D, an OFW and a member of the RDPU Filipino community. Though not a member of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ, he shared his appreciation for the kindness, love, and fellowship he experienced.
Napakaganda ng pagkakagawa, ang ganda ng mga designs. Maraming salamat sa workers, especially sa KOGC. Maraming salamat. At sana ito yung pangalawa namin. And again, we are first runner-up this time. We are making a goal na next year kami na ang mag-champion. Store, nasasaktan kami kung bakit nandyan ka pa rin sa kulungan. Pero ito po ay dadalhin natin sa mas mataas na usapin para makita ng buong mundo kung ano ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas, especially yung persecution sa religious freedom natin, na kung bakit ikaw ay kukulong bago yung hustisya at bago yung trial. It is very unusual.
Very friendly, parang pamilya, parang malaking pamilya. So participating like this event or bringing some Filipino to connect like this event, like we are creating more bigger family like Philippines. We are in the Philippines inside. At saka dito ko nakita yung walang plastikan. Kung anong mga sinagsasabi ay God-centered, lagi ando ng Panginoon. Yan ang gusto ko talaga.
Magpapasalamat po ako sa, especially sa KOGC, sa invite nila sa amin. Itong privilege na ito na maka-join na ganito, very important sa life ko dito sa Japan dahil wala po akong family. And in behalf of my Joseph Team RDPU family, salamat sa among chairman, sa kay Kuya Berwin, pag-alaga din sa akin.
Also part of the gathering was Dr. Lorraine Badoy, former spokesperson of NTF-ELCAC, who shared her perspective on the community and the guidance provided by Pastor Polusi Kibuloy.
Kasi yung KOJC talaga yung ministry nyo, ministry ng may music talaga, di ba? Kahit saan ka pumunta si Pastor, ganda-ganda ng music, kahit saan, sa Glory Mountain, sa lahat. So, kung nakita ninyo kami sana kanina, nag-iiyakan kami dito. Nakakaiyak kasi yung the way you sing, it's really from the soul, no? And we really felt it. Kaya it's one of the hardest things to sit here and to have that judge and then sino yung mas magaling, kasi lahat magaling. Talagang hirap talaga. So, congratulations to everyone. Kasi for me, winning means with your art is when you touch the soul of people who listen to you. And in that sense, lahat kayo panalo talaga. And I would like to thank you for that because minsan ang hirap umiyak sa totoong buhay kasi sobrang dami, di ba, ng kinakarga mo. But tonight you made us cry and it was good tears and it washed the grime and the sadness from our hearts and our souls. And so, thank you so much, and you are all winners.
For the Kingdom of Jesus Christ, the success of the camp goes beyond competitions and awards. It is seen in the love shared, goodness extended, and lives inspired to become instruments of hope.
As the appointed Son of God tells us, beyond the competitions, the greater purpose is not merely to compete, perform, or showcase talents. More than the activities themselves, this is an opportunity for fellowship, unity, strengthening of faith, and the deepening of our commitment as kingdom citizens. At ang pinakasentro nito ay ang pagbibigay kaluwalhatian sa ating makapangyarihang Ama sa pamamagitan ng kanyang hinirang na anak through our fellowship, our unity, our talents, our service, and our unwavering dedication to the kingdom life.
The 11th Japan Summer Camp 2026 became a celebration of faith, love, fellowship, and unity amid diversity. From Japan, its message continues to resonate. Different cultures can come together when hearts are united in love, service, and the will of the Father.
Living our lives to be like the end, for His kingdom is now at hand.
Here in Japan, the Kingdom Nation came together with one message and one purpose: to put love into action, to serve others, and to live according to the will of the Father. Because true unity is not about becoming the same. It is about becoming one in purpose, one in love, and one in the commitment to do good. And that is the message of love in action across cultures. For God and my beloved country, the Philippines, this has been Guy Saito, Esmanaya News, Japan.